Hi everyone, my name is Jeff. I'm from the Stream Machines YouTube channel where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. I have been privileged enough to actually purchase this. I think I'm going to purchase more of these. I wanted to check out this device and they didn't know me, so I went ahead and bought it, and I'm probably going to give it away for free. But this is the WE2USAT K3 Pro Plus. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break down this device so you can see for yourself why I like it, who's it for, and I think it's one of the best kept secrets out there that people are not talking about when it comes to these devices. This device has 4 gigabytes of hard drive space, right? 32 gigabytes of expanded or ROM, so that's plenty of memory. It has a Mali 32, a quad core. It has high-speed internet, and I'll put the specs on the screen so you can see for yourself even what it looks like. So basically, for all those that like the specifications and you're looking for like a one and done type of streamer, this checks all the boxes, every single one. So I wanted to make this really quick intro as we go into the next part of the video where we're going to install all the apps that you see here. And then in the next video that won't be on YouTube, we'll go in depth into Mars Live, Mars Super TV, Mars VOD Plus, and Mars Backup. So you can see what that looks like. Then if you want to purchase, they give us a link so you can purchase. You'll support our channel by doing that. You'll support them. This is a great manufacturer. And like I said, I believe this is the best kept secret for these types of devices. So, okay, guys, let's go ahead and set up this great WE2SAT or WE2USAT K3 Pro Plus. I'm just going to go on the connectivity and downloading some applications, speed test, and go from there. So I'm going to press the OK button like it says and push down on the volume button so it can connect. And there, the remote is connected. Now, of course, you want to choose the language you speak, which is English. Then you want to choose the display settings. I push up and change it to 90. You can do whatever you like. And then you can see that the wireless is on the left side, but if you look to the right, it says Ether network is connected. So I'm connected Ethernet. I'm going to push to the right. Then I'm going to push up and find my, where I live. So I live in Los Angeles area. So I'm going to choose that so my time zone connects or settings are correct. Push to the right. And of course, you're going to agree to their disclaimer notice that they don't control any of the content and you take full responsibility of how you use the box you buy. Cool. I'm going to hit agree, press OK. And then it's going to open up to this great launcher page. This is probably the cleanest launcher page I have seen in 13 years. I've been looking at this type of stuff for 13 and 14 years, and this is very clean. As I go down, there is no hype. There is nothing here to make it confusing. It's very, very simple. So the next thing I want to do is I want to get a speed test. So the first thing you can do is go to the market, which is awesome. And then you can go and find Downloader because they have a downloader app here. And there it is down at the bottom there. And I'm going to press OK and press OK to download. And then I'm going to hit open. Then you want to just have that right there. Give me 1 second. And you want to allow this to work and then press OK. And then you want to put this in 250931. This is not mine, but this is definitely Troy Point's toolbox. So it's going to take you to their website, which is awesome, Troy Point's website, where they have a lot of tools for streaming and stuff, which is good. And I want to find the speed test. So I'm going to hold down the OK button here, and I'm going to add this current page to my favorites. Go down here, press OK, and hit save. So now I can save it. Now I'm going to go down his toolbox into the utilities towards the bottom and look for analytics. That is a good speed test. So I want to run a speed test there. Okay. Let me do that really fast. Did I go too far? I don't think so. Maybe I did. No, it's coming up. There it is right there. So I'm going to download this. I'm going to go ahead and install the speed test. And then it's going to take me to settings. And then I'm going to go to downloader, turn it on. And then I'm going to install. And we're good on time there. Great. And then I'm going to hit done. Hit the back button. And then I'm going to hit delete to get rid of that file. Then I'm going to hit the home button like this. And then I'm going to find the analytics. So I'm going to run a speed test real fast so you can see the speed. The speed here is high-speed internet. It goes up to 1,000. So it will run slower speeds, but it will top out at the fiber speeds and things of that nature. And it'll run very, very well. As you can see, should go up. That is plenty of speed for you to stream. Most people only need maybe 12 to 25 megabits per second to watch anything in 4K without any like a buffer and all that. So that's really, really good. So it's a very good speed test. It's made for speed, especially the full Wi-Fi 6 experience, stuff like that. So I'm gonna hit the home button there. As you can see, that runs very, very well. Then you have these 5 apps right here. These 5 apps will give you their live TV, their other TV, their VOD, VOD Plus, and backup. I've already made a second video going over those so you can see what those look like. I'm not going to do it on this YouTube channel, but I will go down and I want to do just one more thing. I want to find YouTube here and I want to sign in just use it so we can see for ourselves. It says I can sign in from my phone. So I'm going to do this real fast. I'm going to pull out my phone and use my camera here. And there you go. And I'm going to continue there. And it's going to give me a code. I'm going to hit continue, choose that account, which I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to allow it to work so we can go there. So it should load in pretty fast. And there it is. Welcome the Stream Machine. That's our YouTube channel. And what I want to do is I want to find something in 4K. You and I, is history here? No. Yeah, it is right there. Okay, perfect. So I was in Oahu. So let's go ahead and do that right there. We're going to hit Oahu. And I'm going to turn this down. I'm pretty sure it's up. I hope it's not. Cool, it's off. I'm going to go ahead and skip. And then you can see for yourself the clarity. This is in 4K on YouTube, and this is a great way to test your device, show the clarity, no pixelation. It's running very, very clean. I'm going to let this run for like 20 or 30 seconds. You don't need to get in depth. Most people do benchmarks and all that stuff. They don't know what that is. I mean, why would I confuse and try to sound like I'm more, smarter or know what that means? I mean, I wish they would break down why they do the bench scores and stuff and show the consumer. I'm not doing that because I'm not versed on that. What I am versed is this is good enough for any consumer right now, whether they're 60, 70, 50, 40, whatever. This is the ease of use, and the way this box is running is fairly good. I like it so far. I'm not going to lie. And it's very smooth. Another thing, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this, and you'll see for yourself. We're going to exit out, and we are done there. Another thing I like about it is this right here, contact us. So most of these devices, they should have contact, and they give you the customer service online. They tell you everything that you have there, so you can see on the left. So if they ask you those questions, all the information you need is on the left, and that's how you reach them if the TV's not working, not the person that may have sold it to you. So you need to understand that, and I'm glad they put that there. Everything else you can install. In the next video, you'll see where I've installed these here, because these are the main apps that they put on here. The other apps are bonus, so you got that. If you have a Netflix account, that works. If you have a Prime Video account, that works. If you have a Disney Plus account, that works. These are not free. These are paid apps, so keep that in mind. So with that said, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to close out the video. I wish you guys the best, and I'll make sure I link it where you can watch the second part. Okay? Have a great day.